We are out here in Providence, Rhode Island today, shooting with Chester's, not one, not two, but 3 AE86s. Those aren't even all of his, but these are the ones that are currently functioning or not being built. We got LaShawn behind the camera today, Miller X Media. It's gonna be a fun day in Providence. We're shooting out some back roads over by Chircout Reservoir, and then jumping into industrial area and then riding around in the city at night. So it's gonna be a long day. We're probably gonna be finishing around this time tonight, which seems like a lot of time to shoot a car, but believe me, it's gonna be over like that. So we have a pretty unique starting location. Luckily enough for us, Chester works at a Toyota dealership here at Bastille Toyota in Warwick, Rhode Island. And they have this underground parking garage with this special corner. So we have this kind of like Tokyo Extreme Racer, Need for Speed Underground vibe to start with. And the whole theme of this is going to be choices. Which 86 is he going to take out? And then when he brings that one back, which one is he going to take out next? So we're going to shoot our intro sequence, which is him walking up to the cars, looking at all of his keys and trying to make that decision on which one he wants to take out. Let's get started. So we're getting our mix of gimbal and tripod shots. So on the gimbal, we're using the Kinefinity Terra 4K, and on the tripod, we're using the Sony A7R II. We're recording into the Atomos Ninja V for the Sony. Are finished with our garage scene for now. What's nice is that we have access to it at all hours, so if there's anything else we need, we can get there at the end of the day. We only have 5 hours of daylight, and like I said, we already killed 2 hours. The day goes by pretty quick. So we're gonna head to our first spot, and the most logistically efficient thing to do would be to mic him up now on the way there. So the car is actually pretty modest from an exhaust standpoint, doesn't make too much noise, but he's got individual throttle bodies on his 20 valve, or is this 20 valve, right? On his 20 valve. And he has a shaved bay, which makes it real convenient for us to mic up. But Delkin Devices Fat Gecko mount, dual mount. And what's nice is that they both rotate on their own axis here. Get one here, and then hopefully this one tape. Yes. All right, we are secure. So now what I'm gonna do is have him start the car and rev it up a bit. So Chester, if you could do that for me. All right, we're just gonna get an idea of our levels here. Once those valves open up, it gets pretty loud. We're at input level 6. But again, what is nice for recording that safety track that is 12 decibels lower than the main track. And with that, we are good to go. I hate flying drones. Oh, I got so close. It's not for me. drone shots. Drone shots done. This bridge is a little busier than I anticipated, but with 4 passes, we're able to get some good stuff. Now we're going to transfer the gimbal from the handheld setup onto the rig, get some passes across the bridge. We're going to use the Sigma 1835 because it is a little tight, so all the width we can get on this pass here, the better. Well, easy as 1, 2, 3. Then we just got to get the V-mount on here to power the cam, and then the monitor in the cabin needs a little bit of a rebalance here. Do as I say, not as I do. And this. For our rear rolling shot setups, we're actually going to go with suction cup setup. If you saw my post of the yellow FRS not too long ago, we did a majority of the rear rolling shots like that. A lot safer, especially out here where I thought it'd be pretty quiet. These back roads are pretty busy, so we're trying to do what we can. Wasn't feeling that from like a park spot so much, but it looked like so good just like going towards the bridge, because then we could use that shot into the highway roller.